Welcome back, Tech Explorers. Today we're going to be learning about how to control and program our robots wirelessly using a 2.4G serial module. So before we get started, we're going to want to make sure that our battery pack is powering our robot. So we're going to plug that in and turn it on. Good to go. Now, this is a 2.4G serial module. It works kind of like Bluetooth in that it lets you control your robot wirelessly. Each of these little modules is paired with a corresponding USB key. They're all stored in a case like this one. The system we're currently using in TechExplore to keep track of which USB key corresponds to which module is that the crossed out letters on a module will match the crossed out letters on the key. So let's look at this pair. Here, we've crossed out M and C. Then we know that this USB key matches it because we've crossed out the same letters, M and C. Cool. So to set up, you're going to want to insert your module onto your board. If we look closely, we'll see that there's a little section. It says wireless module. That's where we want this to go. So let's put this back down and take a closer look at this. The right side of my module has 3 pins and the left side has 4 pins. Here again, right side is 3 pins, left side is 4 pins. Cool. So now if I try to put it in, we know that the pins will match, and this is the correct orientation. I'm just going to put it in. We see it lights up, and also that all the pins are fully in, meaning that this is set up correctly. Great. Now that that's working, we're going to take our corresponding USB key and plug it into our laptop or computer. So let's do that right now. So now let's figure out how we can connect. To do so, we're going to want to open up mBot. It's a programming environment very similar to MIT Scratch. From here, you can press connect in the top left-hand corner, scroll down to 2.4G serial, then press connect. Now you should be connected, but to double check, we can go into the robots tab and look at the button over here. If you're connected, it'll be green, and if you're not, it'll be red. We're green, so we're good to go. Awesome. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Enjoyed that video? Well, click here to subscribe and access more awesome tech videos. And click here to check out the TechExplore website.